Hey there, are you an aviation lover? So you are on the right place because today we have got some cool news about Pakistan's Air Force. They are thinking of getting a new plane and it's a big deal. So stick around because we are about to spill the details. Now you might have heard about China's J-31 stealth fighter. Well, guess what? Pakistan is thinking of getting it to replace their old F-16. It's like getting a cool upgrade for your favorite video game but in real life. This J-31 plane is not your average aircraft. It's a game changer. It's super sneaky with stealth features and can fly really far. Imagine Pakistan's Air Force being able to go deeper into places they couldn't before. That's some serious power. This move is like when you upgrade your phone to the latest variant. Pakistan wants to keep up with the newest technology in the sky. They are saying goodbye to their old planes like the F-16 and going for something super modern and stealthy. But here's the thing, we don't know all the details yet. It's like keeping a surprise a secret. Maybe they are talking to China, figuring out the money stuff, or just making sure everyone okay with it. But even without all the info, as we know, Pakistan is serious about it. Let's talk about the cool feature of this J-31 supersonic jet. It got a bit heavier and its engine got more powerful. People are comparing it to other planes like F-35 or F-22 Raptor. It's like trying to figure out if it's more like your favorite superhero or a different one. What's make it stand out? Well, it can hide missiles inside itself and it got lots of places to carry weapons. Plus, they used a fancy way of building it. So, it's lighter and has fewer parts. But hold on, there's more cool stuff. Pakistan isn't stopping at just one plane. They are thinking about them joining a special program called KAAN. It's like joining a club where countries work together to make even cooler planes. This KAAN thing is Turkey's way of thinking, making their own planes after some challenges. Now Pakistan is thinking of joining the party. It's not just about planes, it's about countries teaming up for something awesome. It's like your friends coming together for a big project. And that's the scoop on Pakistan Air Force plans. What do you think about the J-31 and the KAAN program? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more cool updates. See you next time and happy flying.